Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined LiveGood yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute LiveGood tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video. Now, as somebody who is an active member of LiveGood, somebody who's super involved with LiveGood, I see a lot of people getting a lot of success with LiveGood, but I'm also seeing a lot of people who are quitting LiveGood. And so I want to give my thoughts on that. But first of all, when it comes to LiveGood, without a doubt, it is a legit opportunity. Everything about it is above board. There is no scamness to it. Is that word? There's no scamming involved. The products are really good products. The team, everybody involved with it are helpful. The support is helpful. The compensation plan is dope. They actually pay on time. Everything about it is a legit business opportunity. But with that being said, a lot of people are quitting LiveGood. So why is that? In my opinion, I think that a lot of people quit is because they have or had false expectations. Or was that the right word? I don't know. They were going in thinking that, okay, it's only $50 to get started, $10 a month, and I'm seeing all these videos, I'm seeing all these people talk about how they're making $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month. I even seen in the sales page, they say you could potentially earn up to $2,000 without recruiting nobody. All of this stuff, right, plays a factor into these people. Just, you know, they pay that $50, right? They get involved, they get their back office, right? Maybe they logged in once or twice, maybe they did or didn't, right? They get their affiliate link. They might have posted it a couple times on Facebook, right? Maybe made 2 or 3 YouTube videos, and they're like, yo, I ain't making no damn money. Like, where's the money at? Damn, like, I didn't recruit nobody yet. And the video said I could be earning $2,000 without recruiting or selling nobody. Where the hell my money, right? And then they wait a couple more weeks and they're still not making that much money, or they might got a little trickle down spillover. They might have earned 50 cents or something, right? So these people who came into the company thinking like this, they're like, yo, this is bullshit. This is whack, right? Where's the money at, right? I'm not rich yet. I ain't balling yet. I can't quit my 9-to-5 yet. I'm out. And this, in my opinion, is the only reason why somebody would quit LiveGood, right? I even understand, like, people who maybe they get involved with LiveGood and maybe they just don't promote it as much, but they still stay a member. They still pay their $9.95 a month just in case, right? They want to get some products at a discount just in case they might receive some spillover, whatever, right? So I even get that, right? But people that actually go inside of LiveGood and cancel their account, like, yo, I'm cool with it. Don't charge me $10 no more. I'm done. I don't want no parts of this company. To me, those are the people that were never going to be successful with network marketing, MLM, or even affiliate marketing, because you give up way too early. And you got to ask yourself, did you really put in the effort with this opportunity? Because I'm making money with LiveGood, but I'm not making the money I want to make with LiveGood yet. But I already know, like, this is a long game. This is a long play, right? So I'm looking at where I'm going to be a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now with this opportunity. Now, I still grind now, still make money now, but most people that get involved with this type of thing, they want to be able to get at least $1,000 extra a month, or $20,000, whatever it is, right? But you have to go into LiveGood knowing that you're going to have to put some sort of effort in, and you can't expect to be making thousands of dollars after 3 months in the company. Now, if you go hard as hell, it's possible. It is possible, but you have to really, really dedicate and have a strategy and push yourself. But seriously, like, I'm not quitting LiveGood. I'm not, you know what I'm saying? Because it's $10 a month, and it gives me the opportunity to make $25 commissions. I get paid from other people's efforts, you know what I'm saying? When they bring people in, 50% matching bonus for every person that I personally bring in. Like, why the hell would I quit? Right? And another reason why I definitely ain't gonna quit, because I think about all of the videos I put out. Think about this. So what if I did quit? Or what if you quit after you promoted, you made 5 YouTube videos, and then you decide to cancel your account? What if somebody finds your videos a year from now and they're like, LiveGood, this looks dope, right? Then they click on your link, they join, but you ain't getting no damn credit because you ain't a member. Think about that. You know what I'm saying? And imagine that person going and be successful. You could have made money off that person. So like, it don't make no damn sense. Like, if you join LiveGood, you should not quit. Only way I quit LiveGood is if the owner got arrested and then the company just shut down. And at that point, I would have no choice. But other than that, $10 a month. The products are actually good. I use them, right? It's easy to promote, right? Yes, you got to drive a lot of traffic to it. You know what I'm saying? You do. But it's easy to promote. Like, the compensation plan is dope. The earning potential is crazy. Why would I quit LiveGood? Why? And no matter what, I'm only paying $10 a month regardless. Like, it don't make sense. Now, if you haven't joined LiveGood yet and you don't want to join, okay, fine. But if you decide to join LiveGood, realize this is a real online business opportunity. You can earn commissions. You can build up a recurring income, right? It's all there. It's all laid out. So you can feel comfortable knowing you with a legit company. If you into affiliate marketing or network marketing, LiveGood is definitely a place that you should feel comfortable growing with. That's my take on why I feel that people quit LiveGood. But if you're one of them people that's like, wait a minute, I ain't on that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no damn quitter. Like, I'm ready to really go hard with this opportunity. Well, you actually can start right now. All you need to do is click that first link in the description, take the 5-minute tour, and I will see you on the team.